Behind the design, plantar fascial groove. This client needed a custom orthotic that accommodated a tight fascial band. The orthotic needed to provide significant orthotic control but ensure patient tolerance and comfort. The aim of this orthotic was to ensure tolerance and comfort in a functional orthotic style using a combination of intrinsic and extrinsic prescription variables. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected the plantar fascial groove in the shell modification section of the digital corrections available on the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include it's an intrinsic or in-shell groove in the orthotic shell. It can be applied to a polypropylene, 3D printed or EVA orthotic. 2 mm is the lab standard depth. It can follow the path of the fascia or other structures. It can be marked on a cast, impression or scan. The depth and shape can be prescribed by the practitioner, and it can be used to reduce irritation from the orthotic shell. Orthotip. The practitioner can mark the path or location for the groove on the cast or foam impression directly, using clinical photos, or using a template.